Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today I have decided to create a new segment. I will be traveling around the world Epcot edition. I'll be creating different treats from each pavilion, which are my favorite ones. So my first recipe would be the maple popcorn from the Canada Pavilion. So the ingredients that we will be using today are our salt, vanilla extract. Next we have our popcorn. And finally, our maple syrup. So our oven is currently in 275 degrees. The popcorn is in. I will be showing you the process and then the final outcomes out of this. So please make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more. Enjoy! As you could see in this first batch, I basically added the whole mix. Perhaps I left 2-3 ounces of leftovers, but I had to create a second batch because it looked soggy, as you could see, and no good. So I moved it to another pan, created a new one, which is this one, and just sprinkled the leftover mix that I had. Alright, so we're gonna verify our popcorn. I have my spoon here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move it. Ooh. This is how they're looking. So this is my first attempt, and then the second one, which is at the bottom. Let's leave it just a little more. We have 17 more minutes. So 40 minutes later, I decided to create 2 batches. So the first one looks like this. Let me grab my, hold on. So this is how it looks. So what I did was I added basically like all the syrup mixture that I had, and it looked like this. So I decided to create a second mixture, or a second batch, and this is how it looks. My second batch is here, and this is how it looks in the pan. Ooh. But yeah, that's how it looks. Let's give this a try. So, cheers. You heard that crunch, right? It's so warm. I honestly, this is amazing. It's so good. Like, it's so sweet, yet salty, yet crunchy. It's amazing. I think it tastes just like it. I miss this thing so much, and having the opportunity to make these treats at home are amazing. And hello, they're super cheap to make. They are not that expensive though. I really recommend to do this treat at home. Super easy, super delicious. So please make sure to comment down below if you were able to make this recipe at home, because man, I recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Cheers.